Hello, my friends. This is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I am so excited to share with you a better way for busy nonprofit leaders to learn the grant writing process. I'm so excited to share with you what I've created to help you learn how to write grant proposals in a more convenient way. Listen, I understand as a grassroots nonprofit leader, I understand that you are busy. You have so many things that you are doing to offer community services. I get it from a personal perspective. I know. So I understand how it could be impossible for you right now to complete the ultimate grant writing boot camp that I offer because the boot camp is a 4-week learning experience that it requires you to read content, complete activities, complete knowledge checks, complete quizzes, meet with me on Monday evenings at 7 p.m. I understand that can be a lot, but the boot camp is a phenomenal way to learn how to write grant proposals. However, I get it. So I am offering you an alternative. The alternative is called Grant Writing Tutorials Audio Podcast. I'll repeat it. Grant Writing Tutorials Audio Podcast. Friends, I have created an audio only podcast that will allow you to listen to the 25 episodes I have developed all around the grant writing process. I'm teaching you from scratch how to write grant proposals. However, all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is listen. You don't have to read content. You don't have to complete practice activities. You don't have to submit knowledge checks. You don't have to meet with me on Monday evenings. All you have to do is listen. You can listen while you are driving in your car. You can listen while you are exercising at the gym or at home. You can listen while you're doing your chores around the house. You can listen while you're just relaxing. So I am so proud of this work, just like you're listening to me now. That's how you will listen to the podcast. That's how you will listen to the 25 episodes that are in the Grant Writing Tutorials audio podcast. So, how does this work? Like I said, the podcast includes 25 episodes. They are no longer than 15 minutes each. I present the episodes to you in a sequence from basic content to complex content. So that's why I'm going to send you one episode each day at 7 a.m. in the morning to your email address. One episode each day in the right sequence. That way, you are learning in a logical way that makes sense and makes the learning easy for you. And again, the episodes are no longer than 15 minutes. No fluff, just facts. No fluff, just facts. So I highly encourage you to create a library, like a virtual library for yourself, maybe on the cloud or maybe in a traditional way on your desktop computer, but create a library where you can download the episodes and keep them. These are your episodes. They belong to you so that you can go back and listen to them over and over again. So imagine being able to learn how to write successful corporate, foundation, and government grant proposals using an audio podcast. Just listening to me teach. Not only will you learn how to write successful grant proposals, I'm also going to teach you how to find grant money because that's the biggest issue that a lot of nonprofit writers, grant writers encounter. How do you find the grant money? How do you find requests for proposals or RFPs? I teach you how to do that through the audio podcast. I also teach you how to cultivate relationships with funders, with grant funders. How do you get in the inner circle of people who have money to support your nonprofit? So much more that I teach you in the audio podcast that's going to help you learn in a holistic way how to secure grant money for your nonprofit organization. So I know what you may be wondering now. This is the question. How much does it cost to subscribe to the Grant Writing Tutorials audio podcast? What's the investment? Well, the investment is going to shock you. So brace yourself. The investment to subscribe to the Grant Writing Tutorials audio podcast is only $50. 50. One time fee. Not a recurring monthly fee. One time fee, and you get 25 episodes sent to your email, one at a time, each day. $50, 25 episodes. That means you're only paying $2 per episode. So you're getting the convenience of learning with audio. You're getting the convenience of having the episodes delivered to your email address every day at the same time, every day. And you get the convenience of saving the episodes in a library that you create to listen to over and over again. Lifetime access. It's not going to end. It's yours. Those episodes belong to you. So this is a one-time investment for lifetime access. I challenge you to tell me another consultant company, anyone that's offering you an opportunity to learn how to write grant proposals that's more convenient than this opportunity. So my question to you is, what are you waiting for? What is the hindrance? What's keeping you from making this investment right now? Select the link that you see below where it says make the investment. Make the investment so that you can start learning today. Make the investment so that I can put you on the email sequence that's going to go out to you every day with a new episode. Now, before I let you go, I just want to tell you I'm so confident that you will learn from the Grant Writing Tutorials audio podcast that I'm offering a money back guarantee. My friends, after you listen to 5 episodes, the first 5 episodes, if you are not completely happy with what you are learning, I will give you your $50 back with no questions. All you have to do is say, I want my money back, and I will send your money back. No questions, nothing, no hesitation, because I know that I'm sharing information that's valuable to people who need to learn how to write grant proposals to get money for their nonprofit organizations. I even talk about the advantages and disadvantages to using ChatGPT to write grant proposals. That's a whole episode that you don't want to miss. So why not invest $50? Why not invest $2 per episode? Because that's what you're doing. You're going to get 25 episodes, $2 per episode. Now, the information that I'm sharing comes from my boot camp. I spent months and months and months creating the boot camp, and I believe I'm gonna pat myself on the back. It's some of my best work. And the people who have completed the boot camp, who did have the time to complete it, give me high praise on the boot camp. Guess what? The content from the boot camp is what I'm sharing in the Grant Writing Tutorials audio podcast, just in a smaller, segmented way without you having to complete activities, quizzes, knowledge checks, and meeting with me on Monday evenings. That's the only difference. Give yourself a chance. What do you have to lose? I'm offering a money back guarantee. So what do you have to lose? Again, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. I invite you and then I encourage you to invest, to subscribe to the Grant Writing Tutorials audio podcast. I highly recommend that you do it because despite what people are saying, despite the rumors, grant money is still available, ladies and gentlemen. The federal government is not the only entity that provides grant funding. If you don't believe me, go to candid.org, candid.org, and type in grants. And you will see thousands of grants that are available, and they mostly host foundation grants. So billions with a B, billions of dollars of grant money is still available, but you have to know how to get it. Let me help you. It would be my honor. Thank you for your time. I look forward to you subscribing to the Grant Writing Tutorials audio podcast. Just click the link below that says make the investment and let's get started. Have a great day.